Okay, now delivering to 732. Guys, after reviewing and trying so many e-bikes from GMOVE MC, GMOVE LC, EcoDrive, Chiway Y1 Plus, Orca e-bike, and of course EcoDrive Junior. Oh, by the way, check out the latest EcoDrive Junior video down in the description below. I'll link it and in the comments. Check it out. I would still prefer bigger wheels e-bike all along. Everyone's preference is indeed different. So I see a lot of comments on YouTube. They ask, after trying so many e-bikes, which e-bike would you recommend? Rather, this question very hard to answer, this one. See, for me, I like bigger wheels. For you, maybe you need something more practical, such as GMOVE MC or a 48 volt e-bike, because your work area, especially like hill view, they have a lot of hills, so you will require a 48 volt e-bike so you can climb up the hill. So it's very tough questions. For those that are still unsure on which e-bike you should buy, step 1, go watch all my bike reviews. And step 2, of course, go to your nearest retailer and try it out. Those retailers, I'm sure they are more than happy to allow you to test it out. It doesn't matter that you don't buy. I mean, they are running an e-bike business, so they wouldn't be unhappy that you don't purchase. So just go ahead, try it out and see which e-bike suits you the best. Try to understand more through blogs. I've written blogs through my videos as well. So really go and do your research. Don't just because I review this e-bike and I say a lot of good things about it, then the e-bike is good. All of my videos, they are all equal. Whenever I comment a good thing, I'll comment something bad also. So all my reviews are fair reviews. Okay.
This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!